How to add bank account to Binance account. In this video, I will guide you through all the steps, just make sure to watch till the end. First, open up your Binance account. Then tap on these three lines here in the top left corner. Then tap on this gear icon here in the top right corner. Then press on Payment Methods. P2P Payment Methods. These all are payment methods I already attached to my Binance account. And now I will add my bank account, so simply I will tap on Add a Payment Method. Tap here to select your payment method. As I'm adding my bank account, so I will tap on it. Here your Binance account name will display by default and you can't change it though. Here enter your bank account number carefully, then type your complete bank name. Below these are some optional blanks to fill for extra information. If you want to fill, it's up to you. Once you checked everything, press Confirm. Now it's asking to verify with passkeys, and I haven't any passkeys, so I will tap here that my passkeys are not available, and you will head to this page. Here enter your authentication app code and press Submit. Then enter your email verification code and your bank account will be added to your Binance account. Make sure to like this video if you found helpful. Thanks for watching.